You guys, I told you guys to have a storeroom over here, and then that day we are showing the house, the key wasn't here. So now look at the visitor room. This is what it looked like. Get that, are you the visitor that they are talking about? Come on, go from here. So coming in, this one is, I wanted to say something here. This one is kitchen room. I don't know, they marked the door outside, which I don't really like. But the door is outside like this, like normal here. So let's go inside. We are going to put what they call it. Oh, who can't turn this? I don't like this light where they get blue. This one is the bed we have over here. So we are going to put mattress no, the mattress is there. Bed cover. They have a mini this thing here where they arrange clothes in case the person want to keep his or her clothes. You guys, you see that they have Wi-Fi here. And this one is where they also keep all this like bed sheet you want to change to another type of thing. You see, I think that they have Wi-Fi before, but they disconnect it because the estate want to, according to them, estate want to put new general Wi-Fi. You guys see the estate now. Yes, many people is there. So they want to put the Wi-Fi for everyone that is staying here. But me, I can't wait for that. That's why I have to go for our Wi-Fi today. So yeah. So that's why they disconnect this one, because when they build the house, it has Wi-Fi. But let's do what you come here to do. This one is the visitor room. In case anybody find us, he want to sleep over. So yeah, something like here. And then here they have washroom also. This one is the washroom. And then this one is for bathing. And then toilet is also there. And also have this geyser for heat, cold, or whatever if you want to control it. So this is what it look like, visitor room. Anyway, this is our new house here in Lagos, Nigeria, Lekki Ajah. In case you are coming to see us, you are welcome. You are highly invited to say hi to your pretty lady B. Hi. I'm not close to you all. Okay, I know that my fans, 80% of them, it's my country people. I love you all. And all of you that is from other country watching this pretty queen, I never take your love for granted. I so much love you. And you are going to see more of us here in our country. Okay, so this is our country, Nigeria, and we are so happy to be back home. Yeah. Anyway, I love you all. All of you, I love you all. So that one is my kitchen from my back. So visitor room, and then here I have a beautiful balcony here, very, very beautiful. I can come here, receive beautiful breeze, everything is there. Anyway, see you guys later.